if you had a running system and you had to polish the oil maybe, and that was your only concern was a little bit of particulate, you could hook up a dialysis type slipstream unit anywhere you want. But a one inch line going into a 3-inch or 4-inch line supplying a heat exchanger, it's going to massively constrict the amount of flow you can get down that orifice. So if you want to be flowing 3 times system volume or Reynolds numbers up in the 100,000s, you're going to need a 3-inch supply for some of the smallest pumps, and you're going to need a 2-inch outlet for that pump. So if your 2-inch outlet down the road gets somehow restricted to a 1-inch, you're going to have a couple of problems there. You'll have pressure issues, you'll have heat issues, but you won't be getting the flow. You'll be getting pressure to the pipes, but you'll be getting less flow. Again, sometimes a system will be designed where they think that, or the company thinks putting a 1-inch line on that big line is enough to clean it out, but it's not. It's again, to throttle out your flow. If you're trying to get a few hundred gallons down a 2-inch line and all of a sudden you go through a 1-inch constriction, you're gonna have big problems. So your flow is slowed down, and when your flow is slowed down, all the bits and pieces, 4 micron and stuff that you're trying to get out, they just stay there and they percolate's probably not the word for it, but they'll just float around and pick a time for themselves to come out.